Hi everyone, good day and Assalamualaikum. In this video, I want to share how the foreigners can buy car or make application through bank to buy a car in Malaysia. For those who working in Malaysia, there are certain rules that you have to follow, and also you have to fill some form and apply for bank loan for getting your car. But for those foreigners who want to buy car using cash without any loan from bank, I will put my link in the description below, so you can click that link and see for yourself how to buy a car using cash money. But the video will be in bahasa Melayu, so you have to bear with it. Okay, first of all, you have to be working in a big company. So the company that is enterprise, the chances for you to get loan is quite small or less compare if you're working in Sdn Bhd of like well-known companies, such as you're working in Petronas, you're working in Shell, you're working in Sapura Kencana, some big company that well-known. So it's easier for you to get loan approval from the bank. But if you're working in enterprise company, Sdn Bhd company but not well known, it's a small Sdn Bhd company, the chances for you to get loan from the bank is quite small lah, it's less. That's the first thing, rules for foreigners. And the second one, the maximum loan that you can get only 70% loan, meaning you have to prepare your down payment or your deposit minimum 30%. Why I say it's minimum? Because the bank can give you loan up to 70% loan maximum, but depend on your document, depend on your company, you can maybe get loan only for 50%, 60%, or maybe less than 50%. So you have to prepare your down payment minimum 30% and above, depends on the price of the car that you are buying. Now I will state it here on this whiteboard here, what are the documents needed for you to purchase your car using loan from the bank. As you can see here, there are 5 documents that you need to prepare in order for you to purchase a car using bank loan. The first document is of course your passport, because for local people, for Malaysian citizens, they have their identity card. For you foreigners, you have to prepare your passport, okay, for your first document. And then second one is your visa, how long you will be staying in Malaysia, okay, so you have to prepare your visa. And then the third one, working permit, you have to get working permit from your company. And then the fourth one is latest 3 months pay slip. For example, if you want to buy the car on June 2021, so you have to prepare your pay slip and bank statement from February, March and April, or you prepare your pay slip and bank statement from March, April and May. It must be the latest 3 months pay slip and bank statement. But like I said just now, you have a higher chance to get your loan approval if you're working in big company and well known. Like I said, even though you are working in big company and well known company, it doesn't mean that you will get the loan that I stated before up to 70% loan. It depends on how much your income is. If your income is just average, for example, it's only average like 2,000 or like 5,000, only less than 10,000. So you have to support your document by a local guarantor. Local guarantor means you have either, if you're married to Malaysian people, either your spouse, or you have to get guarantor from your staff that you're working in company is. If you're working in the Petronas company, so you have to get staff from the Petronas company to be local guarantor for you. For loan approval, the loan tenure, in Malaysia we have about 3 years, 5 years, 7 years and 9 years. But your loan approval, the maximum can go up to 9 years, but it depends on your visa. If your visa expired on the next 2 years, so the maximum loan you can get only 2 years loan tenure. If your expired date of your visa will be in the next 10 years, so you can get up to 9 years loan. So the loan approval actually depends on your visa, how long does it last. But for example, you get the loan around 3 years because your visa will be expired in 3 years. But then you renew your visa, so you have to provide the letter that extends your visa staying to the bank that you get the loan, so you can stretch the loan much longer. I hope this video can make you clearer and it will be easier for you to see how you foreigners can buy the cars in Malaysia. If you have any doubts, any questions or anything that you want to ask, please leave a comment below, then I will answer them as quick as I can and I try to help your situations. So we see you again in the next video next time.